Cosmic physics and metaphysics, consistency of reality. Friends, once my cosmic model is quite mature, I would like to give and open a small series of simple and basic explanations of it, all with the intention of explaining how I see and understand cosmic creation, but everything in a simple and easy way for everyone to understand, no great expositions or great scientific pretensions, but simply science or philosophy for everyone. It is very difficult to start, since there are many cosmic themes or principles, both physical and metaphysical. So let's start with that, metaphysics and physics. The cosmos has a metaphysical basis and a physical resolution, and thus, everything we see is physical with a metaphysical substrate and component that continually maintains and builds it. Therefore, and in order to settle in this physical world that we see, we can ask ourselves, well, but how metaphysics is transformed into physics? How can we, based on the physics that we are seeing, scrutinize and dig a little to find something of that metaphysics that you propose? Well, first of all I would like to explain a little about my experience as a researcher or miner, to discover a little about this connection, physics-metaphysics. And to do this I began by analyzing a tree into its increasingly smaller parts or components to try to see if any element emerged as a common denominator that could make me understand the cosmic structure as a whole better. Thus, as a whole, I saw that the tree was made up of various elements such as trunk, branches, leaves, roots, etc., all of them forming a set of intelligent action and behavior to adapt to life as a tree. That is, physical elements forming a set with adaptive intelligence. Then, I moved to each of these elements, trunk, branches, etc., and I saw that they were composed of other minor elements, which are cells of all types and shapes, but yes, intelligently organized to adapt to life. So with different elements, the metaphysical element reappeared, intelligent organization for adaptation to life. And so on, I realized that the same thing always happened, no matter how deep I went, the substrate of intelligent organization always remained. That is, the cosmos is built with intelligent and creative organization at each and every one of its levels. But what really is the intelligent organization? Well, simply creative intelligence at all cosmic levels. And nothing more, because physics is disappearing as each element of the cosmos is composed of many other minor elements, and so on. That is, the cosmos is creative intelligence upon creative intelligence. And with this we can understand a little the reason for the heading of this chapter. Consistency of reality. If we start from a metaphysical substrate in which there is only creative intelligence, but we have the ability to create simple data and organize it intelligently, we will see in another chapter what cosmic intelligence is. We can create sets of intelligently united data that already form a cosmic element of creative intelligence, and by uniting more and more elements of creative intelligence, as if they were pixels in a drawing, we can create any cosmic element, no matter how large it may be. Let's think for a moment that we have a screen full of disorganized pixels, and in this case we will see nothing on the screen. But if we now intelligently organize all these pixels, we can build the figure we want, which is why cosmic intelligence is needed to do so. And if now we go ahead a little, and instead of being a screen, we have a three-dimensional figure with infinite component points, in addition to the configuration of time and movement, then we will have reached the consistency of physical reality that we were looking for, but we started from a metaphysical reality. Therefore, and in summary, we can say that real physics is the representation of infinite points of creative intelligence, also intelligently organized to form increasingly larger sets, and already with representation and appearance of physical reality. And as we will see some similes in other chapters, we could also say that real physics is the condensation of many metaphysical points giving and taking the form and appearance of real physics. Well friends, I think it is enough to give a general idea of this topic of consistency of the physical reality of the cosmos. Thank you so much to all you.